to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, and I nominated my brother Jacob.
Do you guys accept?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And I hope you donate money.
And you hope they donate money? Good. All right.
You're putting all the ice?
Yep. That good?
Okay. Ready?
So Jacob, you're gonna pour it on Jaden?
No, I have to put it on myself.
You're gonna pour it on yourself? No, you sit down. I'll pour it on you.
That's how you do it.
Want me to pour it on him?
Sure. Ready? 1,
Look at mommy.
2, 3.
Look at him, dude.
Okay, your turn, Jacob. Hurry up.
There.
Okay.
Sit down.
Ready?
Sit down. Okay, stand up. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Turn
Look at
around.
mommy.
All right.
Oh, God.
Thank you. Say bye. Donate for this good cause, everyone.